Hey guys, have you been guessing that how can you actually get your music on Billboard Hot 100 or Hot 200, maybe Summer 100? Okay, in this video I'm going to advise you on how you can actually get your music to Billboard Hot 100 chart. And to do this, there are some method you have to follow for you to get that kind of rank. And also I'm going to advise you on how you can actually get it done. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss upcoming videos based on how to grow on your music to a wider audience. So let's get to the video. Now, step 1, for you to actually get your music on Billboard Hot 100, you have to register for Nicel SoundScan. Nicel SoundScan is an information system that tracks sales of music and music video. And why do you need to register your music to Nicel SoundScan? This is because if you want to have a chance to make it in the Billboard music chart, your release must be registered with SoundScan using UPC and ISRC code. So that is basically how it is, and this is the preview of how the Nicel SoundScan registration form actually look like. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys to actually use the link and register for Nicel SoundScan, and also fill out this form, which will actually get you a better chance of getting your music to the Billboard 100. Okay, then once you are filling this form and you have submitted, make sure that before you fill this form you must have your ISRC code and your UPC code. So I will recommend you using Tunecore as one of your distributor, because through Tunecore, once you publish your music, Tunecore will automatically generate a free ISRC code and UPC code for you. So make sure to use Tunecore as one of your distributor for you to get your UPC and ISRC code. So once you have done that, then the next phase is to register your ISRC and UPC for your album under Nicel SoundScan. Then once you have registered it, the next thing is that you have to set up a pre-order at least some weeks before your release date. That is very easy using Tunecore. That means you set up a pre-order once you are about to distribute your music. Then once you have set up a pre-order, the next step is for you to promote that music. Once you have promote that music, you have to promote that music a lot, so that it will have a lot of engagement and a lot of attention, so that once Billboard pick up that hit that is coming out of that music, then they are going to show it right there on their charts. As you can see from other songs that is on the music Billboard chart. So once you have done all those kind of steps, make sure to promote your music very well. Then you will get your music on the Billboard chart, and also be checking the chart. It comprises of different aspects of chart. We have the Billboard Hot 100, Billboard Hot 200. We also have the summertime 100, okay, artist 100, song of the summer, Billboard Global 200, and Billboard Global Excel US. So that's for this video. So if you find this video very informative, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video.